The story of India goes back thousands of years and is filled with a number of inventions and innovations. We are proud of this rich heritage and even more excited to create the future.
We have the youngest population in the world. Give them affordable digital tools. Give them the skills. Give them the environment. They will surprise us. It is this opportunity to transform India that motivated Reliance to invest in this space. And Jio is the result. I believe in the next 20 years, as a human civilization, we will collectively achieve more than what has been achieved in the last 300 years. We are at the beginning of a new era.
With Jio, India rose up from the 155th position to the first position in the world of mobile data usage. What could happen next? Every Indian will have equal opportunity and equal access with a JioPhone Next, which is made in India, made for India, and made by Indians.
Our vision was very clear. We wanted to connect every Indian in the country, and we wanted to do so in an extremely affordable way. No Indian must be left behind.
What we needed was a world-class operating system that gave the user a seamless digital experience but was extremely affordable to make. So, we had to think out of the box.
Jio's vision for India resonates with Google's, and it was clear we needed to innovate and create an experience tailored to India's new internet users. This was extremely challenging. But when you see the big picture, the impact it will have on the future of India, it motivates us to go beyond, push the limits, and make this possible. Pragati OS, Pragati stands for progress, is powered by Android, is a result of this passionate effort, bringing together the best minds at Jio and Google.
I am so proud of this new OS. All of us are. It has some of the coolest new features, especially the Translate Now feature. I can speak in one language and the phone will translate that into another language.
Not just this. With the read aloud function, the phone will read aloud the content from any app open on your screen. To add to this, you can also get access to the vast library of content on all Jio apps.
Now that we have a truly delightful operating system experience on board, we needed another key component of the phone to be just right. And you guessed it, the processor. And who better to make processors than Qualcomm?
The Qualcomm processor on the JioPhone Next focuses on delivering optimized connectivity and location-based technologies that form the backbone of many applications today. Further optimizations in audio and battery will make this smartphone a real user-friendly multitasking device.
Now, with the optimized version of Android, a powerful processor at its center from Qualcomm, the JioPhone Next was ready to be put together, right here in India at Tirupati and Sri Perumbudur.
This facility includes the latest technologies in the ENS. These technologies will bring us the best quality and the best productivity in the market. And our goal, together with Jio, is to bring this smartphone to everyone.
We are the first of the history. We are converting a bigger population into the digital world. The Made in India is the game changer for us. It is very much required for India. That is what's happening right now. Make in India and make for India.
The JioPhone Next will help our nation become more and more Atmanirbhar.
What could happen next?